Want to permanently delete your Google account right from your phone. But be careful because once it's gone, all your Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and photos are gone forever. So, if you are sure, let's do it step by step. This is the fastest way to do it on your mobile. Let's go. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the Google app. That's the one with the colorful G logo. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the right top corner. Then select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Now at the top, sweep over to Data and Privacy. This is where Google keeps all the scary delete options. Step 4. Scroll all the way down until you see more options and tap on Delete your Google account. Google wants to be sure you are not a robot or an angry cat, so you will need to enter your password again. Step 5. Now they will show you everything that will be erased: Gmail, YouTube, photos, Drive, your purchases has gone. So double check if you are sure, check the boxes and tap delete account. And that's it. Your Google account is permanently deleted right from your phone. If this helped, please smash that like button and subscribe for more super simple tech guides. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on deleting just Gmail or clearing your Google history. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.